Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to create a Reddit account. Reddit.com is an open source website that encourages users to create communicates, post content, vote on likes, and share comments. This online community allows users to discover categories and share useful content and information. The basic of Reddit involves 5 things: posting links, rating content, joining discussion about that content, and finding subreddit. Open any browser, click address bar, then type www.reddit.com. Click enter. Then click sign up option. Here you can sign up by typing email normally, or if your Google account is logged into the browser, you can sign up with your Google account. Continue with Google. Then select Google account. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends. You can see my account is fully opened. Thanks for watching.